Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you my never first call calls I ever done. And if you enjoyed the video guys, give me a like because it helped me a lot. And also my goal is to reach 10 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you help me reach that guys, I'll be appreciated a lot. And reach that guys, let's go step for the call calls. I hope you enjoy it, as I said. Bear with me because I will probably be nervous, and also my English is not the best yet. It won't be the best quality and also wouldn't be the best. Enjoy. I don't know guys what will be the final result, but I'll be trying to call these businesses. And as I said in the intro, my English will be not the best, but I hope you enjoy guys. And also if you are trying to start and call calling, if I can guys, you also can. So
you have reached Seaway Insurance Consultants, an agency for the Yorkshire Building Society. One of the team will be with you shortly. Seaway Insurance Consultants are authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. All calls may be recorded for training and security purposes. Good afternoon, Steffi speaking.
hi, I'm reaching to the owner of the business.
What's that, sorry?
See if I am reaching to the owner.
Sorry, I can't understand what you're saying.
If I'm reaching the owner of Seaway Insurance Consultants.
You're... Okay, bear me 1 second.
Can you hear me well?
Oh, it's a bit crackly, the connection, so I can't quite understand what you're saying.
Okay, because I can hear you well. Not too loud, but
Oh, okay. Oh, so yes, we are COA Insurance in Penzance. What was it
yeah, I'm trying to reach
what was it again?
the owner because I have something to pitch to their business. So if there's any way to try to talk to them or send an email or
Okay, what I'll do, if I can write down your name and number, my manager's currently busy at the minute, but obviously I'll let her know that you've called.
okay.
And then, and what I'll do, I can call you back and give you, if we do have any information, we can give you a call
Yeah,
regarding that, if you want me to do that.
yeah. If you want, you can call me back in this number.
Yeah? What's your contact number?
So it'll be
And I'm just having a look. So I've got your number. And what's your name, sorry?
Matt.
Matt.
Yeah.
Okay, and so you wanted to speak to someone higher up, didn't you? Is that what you said?
Yeah. Yeah. The owner or the general manager.
Okay, yeah. Bear with me 1 second. I've got your name, I've got your number. I'll
Yeah.
speak to my manager, and then obviously we'll take it from there.
Yeah. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Welcome to James Hallam and Everard Insurance Brokers. Please press 1 for Everard Marine, press 2 for personal insurances, press 3 for commercial, press 4 for claims, press 5 for finance, or press star to repeat these options.
Welcome to BT Callminder. The person you've called is not available at the moment. Please leave a message after the tone. When you've finished recording, please hang up or press hash for more options.
Hi, I'm reaching out the.
Now number 1 in line. Thank you for calling Merritt Insurance Broking Limited. Please note that your calls are being recorded for training and monitoring purposes. For personal lines insurance, which includes household, motor, travel and boat insurance, please press 1. For agricultural insurance, including tractors and farms, please press 2. For commercial insurance, please press 3. For our Plymouth office, please press 4. Or if you know the 3-digit extension, please dial it now. To hear these options again, press the hash key.
Hi, I'm reaching the owner of Parkway Insurance.
Yes, you've got Parkway Insurance, yes.
Can I speak to the owner, or I'm reaching to the owner?
So who are you trying to speak to?
I'm trying to reach to the owner because I have something to pitch to their business, and if there's any way to trying to talk to them or reach them by email or.
Okay, so what are you ringing up about? What do you want to speak to about?
I have a offer to him about because we are an agency and we offer client acquisition services for insurance agencies.
So, are you cold calling?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, we don't take cold calls, and I'm one of the
Okay.
directors, so I can say that to you. Okay. Well, thank you very much for your call.
Thank you. Bye.
Welcome to Towin Insurance. Please press 1 to speak to a member of the team. Please wait while your call is being transferred.
Good afternoon, Towin Insurance, how can I help you?
Hi, I'm reaching the owner of insurance broker Cromwell.
Yep.
This is a sales call, and I have something to pitch to your business. So if you want to hang up now or give me 30 seconds, you can decide.
What's that for, sorry?
I have something to pitch to your business, and if you want to hang up or give me 30 seconds, and then you can decide.
Go on then, yeah.
So we are an agency that help insurance agencies be in the top 5% of the industry and with client acquisition. So we handle the entire client acquisition and the appointment setting process, and you don't need to do basically almost anything, and you don't pay us until we generate results. That's base.
It sounds like a good offer, but one I'm going to pass on at this time, but thank you very much.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you. Cheers. Bye.
So guys, to wrap up this video, I want to say that thank you for watching the video, and as I said in the beginning guys, if it helped in any way, give me a like because it helped me a lot, and also my goal is to reach 10 subscribers by the end of the year, and I will appreciate it a lot guys if you help me reach that. I hope this video encourage you to start cold calling yourself for your business and for your SMMA, and if I can guys, you also can, so start doing it because it will pay off as I said in the beginning. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.